Because of politics over people, those who are rational attract many enemies, who are mostly handclappers and bootlickers. This has led to many elites and the cream of the nation shying away from politics. People who are the cream of the nation, they'll rather be home and watch others fight because of the way we are running politics in our country. No matter how we get inserted, our eyes are on the ball. We have put our eyes on the ball. We'll never be derailed as long as we know what we want to achieve is good for everyone in Malawi. I want to ask some questions just to give you an example that we have politicized everything in our country. Why is it that pamaliro kumuzika ndi tauni andala yankulepo? Are we together? Pamaliro oti omalirayo andali sapanga nawo siwa chipani. He's not a politician, does not belong to any political party, but we say achipani andale ayankulepo. Why? It's because we have politicized almost everything.